Magnetic switch keyboards need a better design and a more comfortable experience. Introducing the Keychron K2 HE custom magnetic switch keyboard, which features powerful customization features to provide the ultimate experience. With the K2 HE, you can customize the key trigger distance on the web without installing software. Simple adjustments allow for a shorter trigger distance. Faster triggering gives you the advantage of being one step ahead of the competition. The special rapid trigger feature lets the key reset and trigger faster and more sensitively, even below the actuation point. You can start and stop the action faster, which allows you to make more sensitive movements. And those quick stops make you get into static, accurate aiming faster in a shooting game. This function can help you to pick up more items or cast more abilities. The one key multiple commands function allows a key to recognize different commands depending on where it is pressed. For example, a key can be slightly pressed to walk and deeply pressed to run. K2 HE also allows you to set the keyboard to analog travel like a joystick, adjusting the output value according to how much you press. This will make your control more prosperous, and keyboard control will no longer be dull. There are wooden and metal models for the unique design, bringing you different styles of personalized matching. 22 kinds of RGB light effects, which you can configure as you like. Adjustable feet can help you find the most comfortable angle. K2 HE supports 2.4 GHz and a multi-device Bluetooth connection. It also supports Windows and Mac OS systems. Wire mode and 2.4 GHz mode can reach a 1000 Hz polling rate, giving lower latency and faster response. Keychron K2 HE brings you a new customized keyboard experience and helps you get more extreme performance.